So I hope you can enjoy the Japanese culture and like Japanese style. I'm quite tired. We are the Japanese performance group, Kunoichi. Do you know what does Kunoichi means?
Yes. No.
Dofan.
Kunoichi.
Means?
I know what it means, but I don't know how to say it in
Okay, I'll give you an option. First, Kunoichi means sushi. Or second, woman ninja.
Woman ninja.
Don't say that now. This is quiz. Dofan. Yes, the answer is 2. Woman ninja. So we are the woman ninja. It sounds good, doesn't it? Yes. So, and how about the dance? Perfect, thank you. This dance is for fishermen, the people who do fishing. Then, do you remember I said, dokoisho, again and again?
Yes.
This is the word for encouraging the fishermen to work hard. And we use it in the usual life. For example, when we carry out something heavy stuff, we said, dokoisho, like this. You can use it from there. Next, let me talk about this logo. Finally, we made Kunoichi logo this way. It has a deep, deep meaning. Can you see these letters? This means Kunoichi in Chinese characters. And these colors show us, Mika, me, and Kaho, and Shiori, and Rikako. And this black color shows our t-shirt. And this white part, something missing in this white part. This is you. So white color can be changed to any colors. So that means you can decide our colors of performance. That's cool, isn't it? Then I think one more thing. I think everyone has something empty in your mind. For example, missing your boyfriend, or like loneliness, or what about like my future look like? Such an emptiness, we can support all of your emptiness. Then we can fit your emptiness. Kunoichi release your stress out, and Kunoichi entertain you guys. This logo has such a deep meaning. Yes, thank you for listening.
Hi guys, my name is Nanako. I'm the manager of Kunoichi. I'm manager, okay? I'm manager. I'm doing my job well, okay? So the next performance will be a song called Narasoso, which means tears for you. So I want you to think something really important to end listening to the song. And Rikako and Shiori is gonna sing the song with beautiful voice. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So please welcome Shiori and Rikako.
tastes like to meet, to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't the much of healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we're younger and free. Is this time supposed to feel about who we used to be? Such a difference between us and a million young minds. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself and sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of town where nothing ever happened? There's no secret that both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Buy me another one. I'm gonna run out of memory. I've got 8 minutes left.
「
Thank you, girls. I don't think I can dance and sing like them. That's why I'm here. I couldn't be a part of them. Anyway, well, the last song that Mika, Kaho, and Rena danced was a pretty famous song in Japan, and pretty much everyone singing dancing karaoke. So I can dance, but I wouldn't. And so the next song will be both in English and Japanese. So enjoy.
Honto no
Thank you, Pikachu. I assure you guys are absolutely beautiful. So the next program is, we actually have special guests from Japan. Okay, you guys have to guess. I will give you some hints. No, from Japan. Close.
Shinzo Abe.
Well, he's a Japanese guy, and he wears hat on his head, and he wears black clothes. And also he wears and his good friend is something yellow. Hopefully you know who that is. Okay, today's story is Ash and Pikachu!
Thank you, Hanako. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Guess who we are again? Who am I? Ash! Okay, you raise your hands, right? What's your name?
Munya.
Munya. Nice to meet you. You're from Philippines, right?
Yes.
Okay. Who am I?
Ash.
That's right. Who is this?
Pikachu.
Okay, you. What's your name? Ash. Okay, you're Ash.
No.
My name is Taichi.
Taichi. Okay. Okay. Who is this?
Chris.
Chris. Wrong. That's wrong. Who is this? You had. Good. Who is it? Pokemon. Yeah, that's right. But which Pokemon is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes, it's yellow. It's Pikachu. Do you guys play Pokemon Go? Yeah! Of course, yes. I'm
You
gonna
said
catch
you
all
don't
the
play Pokemon Go.
Hey Ash, can you sing Japanese Pokemon song?
Of course, yes.
Music starts! Pokemon, get to the back!
たとえ水の中草の中森の中土の中雲の中のこのスカートの中大変だけど必ずゲットだぜポケモンゲットだぜまた会うにさよならバイバイ俺はこいつと歩んでる鍛えた技で突き進め仲間を増やして次の街へいつもいつでもうまくいくなんて保証はどこにもないけどいつでもいつも本気で生きてるこいつたちがいる
Thank you. So actually this was the last performance today. I'm so sad. Yes. So on behalf of Kunoichi. Okay. Okay. We are gonna sing and dance, but before that, I wanna say thank you to everyone. Thank you for coming today. And without all of you guys, we couldn't even stand on this stage. And to our friends, thank you for helping us. You guys always help us, and you guys always make us happy and push us. So thank you. And to Bird Cage staff and Michael, thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much. This Bird Cage will be a really important step for all of our future, I think. I really appreciate you. Yes, in the end, let's sing together and dance! Let's do it! Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes, the music is everyone stand up, right?
I wanna be the very best that no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. It's possible to understand the power that's inside. Gotta catch 'em up. I'm waiting for destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em up. Gotta get through what's free. You teach me and I teach you.
Of this performance. If you want to take picture with this us or us, please come to us. Thank you.
I want